Hello, boys and girls. My name is Hitler. Yes, I've come out of hiding. I'm no longer a fucking balloon. Yeah! Woo! Where's my fucking gas chamber? I'm sorry, I was not nice in the past, now was I? Well, you didn't think I was. I'm just perfectly peachy. Hey, kid! Oi! Oi, Ted Roo! Oi!
Yo. Welcome to another charming and thrilling version of Baby That Shit! Jesus.
I never practiced doing this at school at all. Never. I mean, ever. At all.
You must get a lot of attention now that you're a hand and not a balloon.
Maybe.
Yeah. With yourself. Oh, how's it look? A little bit clearer now?
Yeah.
Pocketed your lighter by mistake.
No, take my shitty brown lighter.
Yep, right there with my headphones. Oh, damn.
Yankee Doodle rip up burp.
Oh, damn it. You had to cut me off. Uh-oh. If I try to force it, it's going to hurt my chest cavity.
Uh-oh.
Yankee Doodle rip up burp. Burp and ship, that's what we do in the fucking hood.
I think I might have replicated it, dude.
Dude, that was perfect. Everything.
It was, dude. And I did the whole head nod.
That's great.
Oh man, that was pretty good.
It's actually, I don't know why burping and shit is gonna get so popular. I mean, honestly, it's just two dudes burping.
I know, right, dude? Like if you combine the views that you have on the other ones, it's almost up to 500 just with like the random encounter and the 3 burping and shit videos.
I think the one of the burping and shit videos, I think it was 2, actually got some more views because remember we were in the living room. Remember?
And Draven got in the video.
Oh yeah, Draven was in one of the videos, I remember.
Yeah, I think that may account for at least some of the views we got. That's a very good possibility.
Wait.
Oh, damn! That was his ass. Oh.
Wait. It's gone.
Oh, damn it.
What'd you think of the little dance?
That was funny. I was like, what's he doing? Then I heard, I hope the fucking camera picked that up, dude.
I hope so too, dude. At least I didn't have to shove it right near my butt.
I know, right?
Crop dusting my phone, you dick. Oh, dear Lord. Something might be a brewing. Oh, shit.
It was like a mad storm. Fuck. That fucking hurts.
That's not a mad storm. This is.
Oh, damn. Oh, no.
Tastes like chicken. God damn, dude. You're gonna strain your gut cord.
I'm gonna sound like David Draymond after a fucking live concert.
Who?
David Draymond, the lead singer of Disturbed. Well, they used to be.
Bummer.
There's the David Draymond.
To all of those who watch my clip, repeated shit is legit. It is no gimmick. It is no lie. It is you guys, and we burp like this all the time.
Tastes like my dinner from this evening. Actually, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning now.
Well, no, it's like it's after 2 a.m. It's probably like 2:30.
Oh.